You've meticulously prepped your veggies for tonight's dinner. The carrots are peeled, the peppers are deseeded, and the broccoli stalks are removed. But have you ever paused before chucking those scraps into the bin and wondered if there's more you could do with them? Well, there is a treasure trove of possibilities lurking within those vegetable discards. Keep watching and you'll soon realize that those waste items might just be culinary gold in disguise. Unearth the potential of vegetable scraps. Vegetable scraps are often dismissed as garbage, but they are packed with flavor and nutrition. By learning to repurpose them, you not only create delicious dishes but also contribute to a sustainable kitchen. 1. Vegetable broth. This is the most straightforward and popular use of scraps. Collect peels, stalks, and ends in a freezer bag. When you've accumulated enough, simmer them with water, herbs, and spices to make a rich, aromatic broth. 2. Pesto and sauces. Broccoli stems, often discarded, can be transformed into a delightful pesto. Simply blend with garlic, nuts, olive oil, parmesan, and lemon juice. Similarly, the green tops of carrots, which are usually thrown out, can be turned into a zesty chimichurri or salsa verde. 3. Veggie chips. Turning discarded vegetable peels into chips is an innovative way to reduce waste. Whether it's potato or carrot shavings, lightly coating them in oil and seasoning brings out their natural flavors. Baked to perfection, these peels transform into delightful crunchy snacks, offering a sustainable twist on traditional snacking. 4. Natural dyes from kitchen scraps. Onion skins, often discarded, have a hidden potential. When boiled, the outer layers of red onions yield a rich maroon hue, while yellow onion skins produce a golden yellow dye. Similarly, the often overlooked ends and peels of beets are a treasure trove of color, imparting a deep pink or ruby red when simmered in water. These natural dyes, sourced directly from our kitchens, offer an eco-friendly alternative for various projects, from textile dyeing to craftwork, harnessing the beauty of nature in vibrant shades. 5. Regrowth. Some vegetable scraps can be replanted to produce a whole new plant. Green onions, lemongrass, and lettuce bases can be placed in water and will soon sprout anew. 6. Compost. If you can't use the scraps in a recipe, they can always be composted. This returns nutrients to the soil and reduces the amount of organic waste going to landfills. The bigger picture. Using vegetable scraps effectively is about more than just creative cooking. It's a step towards reducing our ecological footprint. When organic matter ends up in landfills, it decomposes without oxygen, producing methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide. By repurposing our vegetable scraps, we minimize this harmful environmental impact. Moreover, considering the water, soil nutrients, and human effort that went into growing those veggies, throwing away the scraps equates to wasting these resources. By using every part of the vegetable, we honor the labor and resources that went into its cultivation.